What's good, y'all? What up? What up? I'm cheesing. What up, G? Everything good. Thank God. You already know. Got another day. Another day to live. Another day to trade. Another day to love. You feel me? Another day to be better. But what up? I don't know. I don't know if y'all could hear the music in the background, but I got some lo-fi playing. You feel me? But y'all already know it's y'all boy DC in the building. In the building. We live trading gold as always. Y'all know the vibe. But let's see. Let's start with the routine before I forget. Because I'm over here. You know what I'm saying? I do this by myself. But now I'm just recording it. Um. The thing. Boom. Ready there. Ready on TraderVate. Let's see what we got going on today. So today is, what the hell? Why I keep doing that? Today's the 8th. Today we got nothing but Jerome Powell speaking at FOMC minutes. So we're gonna be done before this even comes out. Well, when I say we, I mean me, because I don't even know who is watching me right now. Jerome Powell speaking. So yeah, we're gonna be done way before this. Way before this. I just hope that the market is not just gonna consolidate and wait for this to make a move. Right now it's looking like it. We should have been on a consolidation. Trading sideways from here to here. And then yeah, this is the trade from yesterday. Let me take this off. Take this off. Take this off. Take this off. Take that off. Um so yeah, we're all set. News at 2 p.m., which it doesn't really affect us no way, shape, or form. It only affects us if price does not move. That's it. Besides that, let's see what the other sessions did. So, a bunch of nothing. I'll tell you that. So this is Asia high. London high. London took Asia low. In reality, is this one. This was the one that's open. But I don't use that. We took Asia low. And then is the low of the day. This is the low of, yeah, pre-market, 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 and London low. So we've been in a range, this entire range. The 15 minute, you can see it clear as day. We're on an uptrend. Let me take this off. Boom. Let me label this. You feel with me? I just like to label these. I'm not gonna lie. I just like to label them, just for me to know if price does like make a strong move, where is it gonna head to. I don't use these to like target or nothing like that. Some days price will just head to one of these levels in reverse. Not always. You feel me? So I just like to see um I just like to see them marked out. That's it. Like what did the previous session do? You feel me? That's it. It ain't really move. Cause from here to here, it only moved 53 points. You know? So just being aware of that. Um that was a strong push to the upside, so we'll see what price wants to do today. We don't care what happened the next day, the previous day, the day before that. We on a 5 minute. We on the 5. So right now it's just market structure. On the 5 minute time frame. Well, it's a 15. The 5 minute look better. So created this low. We could say equal high, equal low, equal highs or lower high. Same thing. We should know that it did not break this high. So if we don't break the high after creating a higher low or equal lows, what is price gonna do? Break the low. And in between all that, there's minor structure, obviously. Minor structure in between, you know. So don't get caught up by that. So right here, y'all can see it continued the downtrend. This was most likely for the 1 minute. All this right here was for the 1 minute to form the 5 minute and the 15 minute. Y'all can see it looks clearer here. It's just more information on this one. We broke the higher low, and then it's looking like a lower high to continue lower, but we'll see what price wants to do. We'll see what price wants to do, because we should react to price. We do not predict the price. We just have an idea of what the market is doing right now. And right now it's trading sideways, holding over here, holding over here, and that's it. That's literally what the market is doing. So once we get a break, you feel me, we'll see what the market wants to do. We're not gonna be predicting out here. We should form an idea and read the market for what it is. Beautiful price action. Break that low. Came back. Supply. Lower high. After lower high, we know what comes next. Most likely it's gonna be a lower low. But you feel me? We on that. And then I should slap my EMAs on there. Where is the VWAP? The VWAP is at the resistance level. Okay, cool. Let me turn that off. I wonder if y'all could hear my music. What's up? What's up in the building? What's up, man? What up, my brother? My brother, my brother. What up? Tuned in early in the AM. Y'all think I'm gonna get copyrighted for this? For this music? I don't know if y'all could hear it. I hope not. But it's whatever. This is recorded for me. For me and whoever wants to watch me, it don't matter. You know? I don't care. Yo, imagine imagine I'm over here on my phone and somebody think I'm sleeping because it look like I'm sleeping. It look like I'm sleeping, bruh. That's hilarious. It look like I'm sleeping. That's funny. Now let me post it on Instagram. See maybe if we get somebody to come watch us. Come in. Why you give me an ad, my boy? Shut up. See if somebody wanna come in here. You feel me? Let me pick my head up before somebody come in here and think I'm sleeping. No, I ain't sleeping. What we on, me? What y'all doing? What y'all watching? Tell me something. These videos probably gonna go on Lista anyway, so it don't matter. God damn. So, what you on, bro? What you on, bro? So, there is this high or low. After breaking these highs, higher lows, higher high, equal low, lower high, lower low. Okay, bro. Come on. Let's get this moving. Wait, what did I just delete? Oh, never mind. So, spy retraced. Golly. It gapped all the way from here? Oh, hell no. What is Nasdaq doing? Man, gold is on a bunch of nothing right now, bro. Real talk. Nah, I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool. Wow. I'm about to start getting hungry, bro. Watching this price action. Going back and forth doing a bunch of nothing. About to be hungry. I realized like people chart however they want. Um, can y'all see me there? Yeah, I can see me there. People chart differently. People have different names for things. People have like different terms. There's so many different ways of trading, bro. It's insane. And to think that only one thing works, it's wild. Also, one more thing is like there's so many YouTube videos on telling you how to trade, and that's the advice that most people follow, right? But isn't 90% of traders don't that's why they fail. That has to be why they fail. Cause there's so many unprofitable traders. It's crazy. Even the ones that you think are real, they be fake. Sure, I might be fake too. Nah, I ain't no fake, bro. But if you want to think that, that's fine. I don't care. I ain't getting no money from this. This video might not even go live because this is for me. I'm just recording for me. Cause this I found something, and I believe it works. I've been trading it for a minute now. I've been making profit, so I'm testing it live. You feel me? I'm trading it live, not testing it live. Um, but there's so many fakes out there, bro. It's insane. There's so many traders I thought they were like really good, and come to find out, they faking it. They had a fake account, fake live account. It was demo. They do it for like they get paid for by every person that signs up with a link or some other some other stuff. And it's crazy to even like, you know. You know what the platform should do? These trading platforms should be like exposing these people. Like if I use Tradeovate, right? And I'm over here on Instagram saying so and so, whatever, I'm profitable. Tradeovate should be like, I'm gonna show you them your bank statement. No, that's invading your privacy. Well, something like that, bro. Because these people don't be when you ask for bank statements or like not bank statements, but like proof of their trading history and things like that. Yeah, like you might be trading for 10 years, but you never shown that you're profitable for real, or you never shown like your trade history only from like um a third party or second party platform like TradeZella or these apps that they have on Apple Store or journaling platforms showing your P&L. Like nah, bro. Let's see your trade history for real, and show us. I don't understand why people also are like scared to show the name of like the account. I don't understand that. I don't understand that because I show mine and nothing has happened unless somebody try to hack into my account. I'm gonna have to switch up the game. But until that happens, like I'm not just gonna be sitting here and not showing. like covering things up that don't need to be covered. Well, that's for sure my perspective, bro. Like, I might be wrong. I might get banned from the account that I'm trading. I don't know. Somebody might hack into my account. I don't know. But all I'm saying is like, show the P&L, show the trade history, show what you actually been doing. If you calling these trades and things like that, like, show, show what you're doing. Cause I don't see nothing wrong with like mentoring and having a Discord and things like that. I don't have nothing wrong with that. As long as you're a real trader, not deceiving traders and not like faking stuff. Like, if you're a real trader, you're a real trader. That's it. Ain't nobody telling you otherwise. Do what you gotta do. Do your Discord, do your WAP, do your whatever. You feel me? Do that. Mentor, whatever. It don't matter. Nobody care what other people say, bro. This is a one life opportunity. This is a one life, like, you only live once, bro. And you live how you wanna live. Who cares? We're all one. But it's not right to be deceiving people and lying and nah, that's not valid. Today is looking slow, man. It's looking real life slow. Even even people that be hitting the gym, they be like, "Oh, I did this in 3 months," knowing damn well it took them like 2 3 years to build that physique that they have, and then they talk about I did it in 3 months. Like, stop the cap, bro. Golly, why people just be capping for? Man, what we on, bro? What are we on? What are we on? What are we on? Waiting for gold to do something. It's just like about to go back to sleep. Wake up in a few. You know what's crazy? I literally woke up today. I looked at the chart and I was like, damn, bro. We about to sit here all day again. Just like Monday. But that's just all part of the game, bro. So I was just like, you know what? Even if, even if we're just sitting here watching this chart, waiting for a setup, I'll just sit here. It don't matter. You know, somebody came in here, dropped the like, and dipped. I appreciate the like, man. I appreciate the like. All right, all right. We could go bang for bang. I'm gonna short Bitcoin, bro. I'm gonna short that thing. Depending how today we close, I I, I might should short that thing. It's in a crazy consolidation. It's like in a consolidation, but on an uptrend, if you know what I mean. But it's just in a consolidation. Come on, bro. What are you on? What are you on, bro? I don't like trading consolidation. That's why y'all don't see me taking a trade. not taking a trade while we in consolidation. Price might do a bunch of nothing until we break out of here. these two are gonna get super close. The This EMA and this EMA, they are about to get super close. They're about to get bunched up. If it doesn't break out, it's just gonna get bunched up and it's gonna be going nowhere. And then it's gonna break out. It's gonna have a big breakout. I could imagine like somebody watching this and it's just being bored out. Honestly, I don't do much. I'm not about to sit here and entertain you. Like, what the hell? I'm not here to entertain you. I'm not here to make you laugh, bro. Unless, like, I feel like if there's more people interacting, somebody wrote, "You fanny, bro," or "You funny, bro." What? That was at 10:01. It's been 12 minutes. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. If there was like people interacting, I think it would have been more like entertaining and things like that. Like more talking, more fluent. But hey, I'm giving this a shot, man. Or should I just go streaming on Twitch? I don't know. I'll figure that out later. I like YouTube because it records it and then it posts it, and then you could put it unlisted, put it private, whatever you need to do. But it records it and then it puts it live. But yeah, it's live streamed, recorded, and posted, which is pretty dope. I don't have all that space on my computer to be saving every stream. Imagining I'm doing this for a long time. Man, my computer about to be acting slow. Slow, I tell you. I'm waiting for a price to break out of this thing. That's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm waiting for. Is this gonna be the breakout? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Hopefully, this is the breakout. Inspire. Damn, go. You about to make me fall asleep, bro. Come on, man. Do something, bro. What are you so trading sideways for? I'm not in this. I'm not in this. I'm not in this. I am not. I'm not in this. Just watching. Finally, there comes the breakup, man. Finally, shoot. Come on, just keep it going, though. Like, don't stop there. I want to see a strong move. Like, please. All right, y'all. We getting something. We getting something. We getting something. We getting something. Let me start getting set up. Please do not come back in the zone, bro. Please, bro. Please. Damn. Well, we have 2 more minutes, so we might still be valid. I want to see this whole entire candle filled up. This whole entire candle filled up. Damn. I thought this was the 1 minute. This moving so crazy. I thought this was the 1 minute. Golly. Golly, I love what I seen. I love what I seen. Come on, go. Come on. Come home. Bring it home. Bring it home. Come on. If this closes like this, bro, it's gonna be a beautiful setup. Hopefully, it's going to be a great setup, depending on the entry model that we get today. Come on. Come on, man. Let's go, go. Let's go. Let's go, go. I'm looking getting hungry already, bro. Now we wait for our entry. Now we wait for our entry. Yeah, that was a nice breakup. Now we just gotta wait, and we just need to wait for price to give us the entry to continue that downtrend movement. Probably catch like a couple points, a small move, not the whole entire pie. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we get a nice entry. We just gotta be patient and wait. This 15-minute candle looking crazy, but it don't matter. Why is this on? Come on, man. I'm about to knock out. Da-la-la-ling-ling. Come on. Bring it home, bring it home. Bring it home, bring it home. I gotta go fix my car after this. I hope it's hot outside, bro. I really do hope it's hot outside. So I'm not trying to fix that car. Wow. It's cold. Keeping it a band. I'm not trying to do that. Not trying to do that. Hell no. Where's the 1 minute? Oh. Get over here. Let's dance. Let's dance. Bring it home, bring it home. Come on. Bro, I'm about to go cook something and come back, bro. For real. Damn. Thing is dumping dumb hard, bro. How big is this supply zone? What the hell? Damn. 20, 20 points, bro? Bro, you going deep now. Golly. You going dumb deep. This is a no man's zone right here. Sheesh. I told you, once we break out of this range, it's going to move. Some way, shape, or form. These were gonna come together, like I told you. Yeah. I just don't trade breakouts like that. Like, I don't trade breakouts at all. Like, not like that. I don't trade breakouts. I don't care if I'm missing all of this. I don't care. All right, I'm about to go make something to eat. I'm gonna just put a an alert right here. Y'all let me know. You feel me? Y'all let me know if this come back over here. Give me an entry. You heard me. Thank you. For how long did I leave? Did I leave y'all alone with my charts? I got the alert, but it's not looking like there's gonna be an entry. And I might just not get an entry. Let's see. 15 minutes solid. That was the 15, right? Nope. That was the 1 hour. Yeah. 15 minutes looks solid. Okay, we close that. Let me have this ready just in case. How much was this move? My hand smell like hella onions, bro. 776 points. Okay. Not bad. It's about to be 11:30. 30 more minutes. If we don't get a setup in the next 25, we just gonna end the stream. I don't trade after 12. As soon as the candle for 11:55 to 12 closes, I ain't taking no trade. It could be my setup the next candle. I still won't take it. I heard you. I'm here. Thank you. Oh man, come on. What are you doing? This candle formation is most of the time it's a fake out, like it's a fake continuation back to the downside, especially if you enter on the break of the candle. Most of the time it's gonna be a fake out, especially after it's been moving down for a while. It hasn't been for that long. It was just this move right here, but most of the time this is a fake out. I'm not saying all the time, because it could still close below this wick and keep going, but A lot of times it's a breakout. I mean, a lot of times it's a fake out, not a breakout. But it could work out. There's probabilities to everything. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. It might not give me my entry today. Oh, that's alright. Let's just wait. We got tomorrow still to trade. It's Wednesday. We still got tomorrow to trade, so. And I'm cooking me a meal. A banging ass meal. Banging ass meal, boy. I ain't playing. I'm actually hungry. It was just sitting here. Made me hungry, so. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have 29 more minutes for a entry setup. If we don't get an entry, because everything looks good, to take it back to continue it back to the downside. But if it doesn't give me my entry model setup, I'm not going to enter. Even though it looks great to continue back to the downside for right now, it still looks good. It's smooth, it's clean, but I need my entry model. I'm not going to take the break of the candle how I used to, because this would have been my entry right here. Break of the candle, put my stop loss a little bit above here, and continue to the downside. I don't aim for the entire move. Sometimes I just aim for the middle or for the next candle. So that would be my take profit, but let me just. Oh, look at that spy hit. LOL. Look at that. Yeah, I usually I don't take this no more. I'm not in this, so y'all know. That's not my entry model no more. Well, not for right now. In the current market conditions, I don't use that entry model. It depends on the market condition. The reason why I don't take this type of setup. I don't enter the way that I used to enter. Okay, now I'm about to get ready to get my entry. Um, let's see if Price wants to give me an entry. How big was this move? Let me know, go. What you want to do? You want to continue back to the downside? You want to continue up? I'm waiting on you. I'm waiting on you, sweetheart. See, I told you that was a fake out. If I would have taken this, boom, my stop loss would have been around up here. Take profit like at the candle. Boom. Stop loss hit. I've been through this already. Now this next setup is most likely going to be a winner. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna predict. I'm not gonna say like I'm not gonna use the stop loss still. I'm still gonna use the stop loss. You feel me? But this has more of a probability of hitting than that setup right there. The market condition is not right for me to use that entry model. Feel me? So now I have to just wait and see if Price wants to give me an entry and wants to continue back to the downside. Cause just because it's moving to the downside strong with strong momentum, that doesn't mean that it wants to continue. You know, sometimes it will just make that move, fill in gaps or fill in balances. You feel me? Get some liquidity and then just move back to the upside. But that's not always the case. That is not always the case. Five, four, three, 2, 1. Buzzer. Buzzer beater. We have 17 more minutes. 17 more minutes. If you have any questions or y'all want me to look over a chart or something, you could just send it to me on Discord. I left my Discord link, not my Discord link, but my Discord username below the description. Well, in the description. So, not below, in the description. So I just took my entry. I just took my entry right there. Yeah, let's see. I just took my entry right there. So we're gonna first just aim for a 101 and then see where price wants to go from there. This is my first take profit. Let's see what price wants to do. I just took my entry. I am in this. My stop loss is set. And my take profit is set. So now we should wait. This is not looking good right now. Damn. This is not looking so good right now. Damn. This is not looking good, bro. We need a strong bearish candle here. We need to continue back that downside momentum. If we don't get that, it's not gonna be looking good. 87, 87, 93. Yeah. This is not. Come on. Come on, gold. One. Damn. This is not looking good right here. Come on, gold. What is you doing? You're going the wrong way, bro. You're going the wrong way, bro. Come on, man. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. You're going the wrong way, bruh. Damn, son. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Alright. Bruh, are you serious, gold? Damn, son. Alright, bruh. We live to trade another day. Bruh, this is insane, bro. It's all good. How did I lose this setup, bro? What? That makes no sense. It's all good. Ghost just did the BS. Real talk. Alright, bro. I can't believe this just happened. Like, what? Yeah. Damn, gold. There's no way you just did that, bro. Alright. So that was the trade for today. I guess we just took that L. Let me show you at my dashboard. This trading shit is not easy, bro. Bro, how you do this, gold? This is insane, my nigga. But yeah, today I did risk a little bit more than what I risked yesterday, just because I really like the setup. This was a great setup, bro. I don't know how I lost. Keeping a G, like this was just a great loss, I guess. Let's just call it that. Let me just show you guys. So this is the loss for today. I lost $522. This is something that I keep facing where my losers are bigger than my winners. But my losers are bigger than my losers are bigger than my winners. Yeah. As I can see right here, well, this month it was pretty decent. But then I just took 2 losses back to back. This was supposed to be 400, at least 500 or something like that. So it could have covered this one, and then, but overall we're still up on the account. I'm still up $138, but it just hasn't been the best, bro. Like how Thursday I took a loss. It was a good loss too. And then today I just can't believe gold did that. But yeah, man, like this is what happens, bro. This is exactly what happens, but what can I do? I really can't do nothing about it. You feel me? Yeah, that's it, bro. I must just study it. I must just see what went wrong. You feel me? Like what went wrong here? But it was a great setup. I can't complain, bro. I really can't complain. This is a great setup. Can't believe gold really did that, bro. Yeah, I still need to work on my risk management, bro. I still need to work on my risk management. I also need to risk properly when I do see a good setup. Like today, this was a great setup. I put a good risk. You feel me? Um, Yesterday it was a great setup, but I put medium risk, and I should have put the regular risk, like the regular risk that I put today, which is 1% of the $50,000 account. Um, yeah, bro. I can't really, I can't really say much. That's it. I just took a loss. That's it. Simple as that. Trading comes with winning and losing. We won Tuesday and we lost today. As y'all can see on the on my dashboard. We're still up $138. Man, that was a hard loss. Okay. Hey, we should come back tomorrow and we'll see what's going on. I'm gonna definitely study what happened today to see if there's anything I did wrong, which I don't see anything that I did wrong. I was very patient. I waited for my setup. We had a break of structure right here, a continuation, and then it was with strong momentum as well. Like it wasn't no small red candles. Everything was just with a good size. And then I waited for the continuation on this right here. We closed below here, and it was tapped into a 5-minute supply zone. And then yeah, bro, we lost. We lost this trade. It's all good. But I'm gonna cash out tomorrow. Live to trade another day. You feel me? I'm not about to just impulse trade. You feel me? But yeah, bro, it's gonna come down. Maybe not now, but it's gonna come down. You feel me? Trading is all about also the timing of your trade. There's nothing I could have done about this. I just protected my account, protected myself, and set my take profit and my stop loss. Simple as that. But I'm gonna catch that tomorrow. DC, I'm out of here. Peace.